everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is Anna. I wanted to share a project with you guys, and I used my Gorgeous Girl paper pad for this project, and this is the one that I used. And I know I shared a haul with you guys quite some time ago. So I am in a Facebook group called Envelopes Galore and More, and we were to make the bookcase MDC. So this is my bookcase MDC. So as you can see at the bottom, it's the memory decks, and we were to follow a specific tutorial. Jen Cassell was the one that made the tutorial that we were to follow. And here's the little bookcase. I just thought it was so cute. So I put little flowers here at the bottom. This is a punch that I had gotten through Amazon. And I just put stickles around the large flower, and I inked the tiny ones. Look at that. These are so tiny. And then I put a couple of dangles here on the bookcase, and then I didn't do anything else to the bookcase other than cover it with paper. So each bookcase had to be filled with a little something, and here is mine. And I didn't put a closure on my little books. Maybe I should have, but I didn't. And this is what the books look like from the side. Put a little piece of the faux leather that I had been working with. I had this piece left over, so I went ahead and covered the books with the faux leather, and then I punched out the little girls from one of the pages. And each book on the front has a bow and a word and some little bling pieces. This one says joy, this one says hope, and this one says family. So super cute. I like the way they turned out. Now on the sides of the book, I cut it out in gold mirrored paper, and then I just scored the edges for them to look like the pages. So I thought that was kind of cute. I thought they turned out really cute that way, because they look like book pages. So I did that to all of them. And then on the inside, this one, I put a little jar of gold bling in there to share with my partner. And then in this one, I put a bunch of the dangles. I may go ahead and put them in a little bag. So these are dangles. And then in the last one, I made my partner some flowers, like the ones I put on the front. So here are the little flowers that I made for my partner, and they're all the same. Really cute. I thought the gold layer at the bottom added a lot to it. So those are her little flowers. And the reason I didn't put a closure on it was because, I don't know, I just don't think that if she uses this as an actual MDC, I don't think she's going to be putting anything inside the books. So that is my bookcase MDC for her. And I did make her a little something. I'm probably going to send her other things too, but I embellished a Dollar Tree box. It's I guess a jewelry box. And again, I went with the little girl in the center. I put a couple of the rolled roses here at the bottom, and I put stickles around it. And this was some twine that was given to me, so I just did a loopy bow, and then the little center there. And then this Follow Your Heart comes from the Mente Glam Rock stickers or chipboard pieces that I had shared with you guys. And then I just covered, you know, around I covered the box with the paper. And then inside the box, I made her a couple of doilies. So they're both the same, and these are the little doilies that I made her. I hope she likes them. They're, you know, they're simple doilies, but I think they're very pretty. So that was my extra gift to her. And like I said, among other things, but that was my gift to her, my handmade gift. It was not required. So that is my swap to my partner. I hope you guys enjoyed my project share, and I'm going to link Jen Cassell's video on the MDC box or the bookcase, and that way if you're interested you can follow her tutorial, and it was really easy to make. It's really fast too. Thank you so much for watching, and we will talk to everyone later. Have a great day, guys.